In this lesson, we will learn how to talk about your well-being in German language, and you can use these phrases and expressions. Remember to use the appropriate verb conjugation and to add any necessary articles or pronouns to make your sentences grammatically correct. Also, don't be afraid to ask for help if you're not sure how to express yourself. Let's begin.
Wie geht's? Wie geht's?
It is an informal way of asking, "How are you?" in German. It is typically used in casual or friendly situations, such as with friends, family members, or acquaintances.
Wie geht es Ihnen? Wie geht es Ihnen?
It is a formal way of asking, "How are you?" in German. It is used to address someone in a polite and respectful manner, especially in professional or formal settings.
Wie geht es dir? Wie geht es dir?
It is an informal way of asking, "How are you?" in German. It is commonly used in casual settings and among friends, family members, or peers. If someone asks you, "How are you?" informal or formal in German, there are many possible ways to answer. Here are some common responses.
Mir geht es gut, danke. Mir geht es gut, danke. Mir geht es sehr gut. Mir geht es sehr gut. Super. Super. Wunderbar. Wunderbar. Ausgezeichnet. Ausgezeichnet. Toll. Toll. Prima. Prima. Fantastisch. Fantastisch. Es geht. Es geht.
This phrase translates to, it goes, or it's going. It is a common expression used in everyday conversations to ask how someone is doing or to inquire about a situation. This phrase can be used in a variety of ways depending on the context. For example, if someone asks, "Wie geht es dir?" which translates to, "How are you?" the response, "Es geht," can be used to indicate that one is doing okay or that things are going reasonably well. The phrase can also be used to describe how a situation is unfolding or to express a general sentiment. For instance, if someone asks, "Wie ist das Wetter?" which means, "How is the weather?" the response, "Es geht," could indicate that the weather is neither particularly good nor bad. In essence, "Es geht" is a versatile phrase that can be used in a variety of situations to convey a sense of how things are going or to express a general sentiment. Its meaning can be nuanced depending on the context in which it is used. Coming to negative responses.
Mir geht es schlecht. Mir geht es schlecht. Mir geht es nicht gut. Mir geht es nicht gut. Mir geht es sehr schlecht. Mir geht es sehr schlecht. Miserabel. Miserabel. Furchtbar. Furchtbar. Ich bin müde. Ich bin müde. Ich bin krank. Ich bin krank. Und Ihnen? Und Ihnen? Und dir? Und dir? Auch gut, danke. Auch gut, danke. Danke.
Thanks for watching this video. Please share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.